In this video, I'll guide you through how to buy Tesla stock on Moomoo. If you're looking to make an investment in Tesla, one of the most well-known electric vehicle companies, Moomoo provides a seamless platform for you to do just that. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, I'll take you step by step through the process to ensure a smooth transaction. First, you'll want to open the Moomoo app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account, as you can't proceed without being logged in. If you haven't set up an account yet, make sure to do so before following along with the tutorial. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a search icon there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will allow you to look for the stock you're interested in. In this case, type in Tesla or simply enter the ticker symbol TSLA. Moomoo's search function is quite intuitive, and you should see Tesla pop up in the results almost immediately. After finding Tesla in the search results, tap on it to select the stock. This will lead you to a detailed page where you can find all sorts of information about the stock, including its current price, historical data, and more. But since we're focusing on buying the stock today, let's move on to the next step. Look towards the bottom left of your screen, and you'll notice a button labeled Trade. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with different options. Here, you want to choose Buy. Selecting this will take you to the order screen. Now, it's time to decide on your order type. You'll have two main options, market order or limit order. A market order will buy the stock at the current market price, which is great if you want to ensure your order is filled quickly. A limit order, on the other hand, allows you to set the price at which you're willing to buy, giving you more control over your purchase. Choose the one that best suits your investment strategy. Next, enter the quantity or the total amount of Tesla stock you wish to purchase. Make sure to double-check this, as you want to ensure it aligns with your investment budget and strategy. Before finalizing your order, take a moment to review all the details. This includes the order type, the quantity, and the total amount. Reviewing your order helps prevent any mistakes that could affect your investment plans. Once you've confirmed that everything looks good, simply tap Buy to submit your order, and that's it. Your Tesla stock order will be placed on Moomoo. This simple guide has shown you how to purchase Tesla stock using the Moomoo app. Remember, investing in the stock market carries risks, so make sure to do your research and consider seeking financial advice if needed. Happy investing!